Woodworking projects right at your fingertips. 16,000 detailed plans, all with step-by-step instructions, full-color photos, and crystal-clear diagrams. From simple shelves to stunning outdoor benches, you'll build it yourself with confidence. Download the plans today.
I've been trying to cut dovetails by hand for a few weeks now, but no matter how careful I am, the joints never come out as clean or tight as I want. My saw lines drift, my pins and tails don't match perfectly, and the final fit always needs way too much tweaking. I'm starting to wonder what key steps I'm missing. How do I actually cut perfect dovetails by hand?
To cut perfect dovetails by hand, focus on 3 essentials: precise layout, clean sawing, and controlled paring. Start by marking your tails first, using a sharp marking knife and dovetail marker, ensuring crisp, accurate lines. Use a fine-toothed dovetail saw and cut right on the waist side of your lines with a steady, relaxed grip. Let the saw do the work. When removing waste, use a coping saw to clear the bulk, then pare to the line with a very sharp chisel, keeping it perfectly vertical. Transfer the tail outlines onto your pin board using a knife to get exact registration, then repeat the same careful cuts. Test fit gently. If it doesn't slide in with firm finger pressure, lightly pare only the high spots. With consistent marking, steady saw work, and sharp tools, your hand-cut dovetails will turn out clean, tight, and professional.